Yes, students. Question number 3. Calculation of interest on drawings of Pujari for the year ending 31st March 2020 if he withdrew rupees 12,000 per quarter in each quarter. A. At the beginning of each quarter. B. In the middle of each quarter. C. At the end of each quarter. Rate of interest is 10% per annum. So in the question, Pujari is withdrawing 12,000 per quarter and the year is ending on 31st March 2020. That means the year begins for us on 1st of April 2019. So every quarter he is going to withdraw 12,000 rupees. Let's take up the first scenario. In the first scenario, he is withdrawing at the beginning of each quarter. So the beginning is like this: April, July, October, January. We know how to calculate outstanding months. For the first quarter, we will get 12 outstanding months. Second quarter, 9 outstanding months. Third quarter, 6 outstanding months. And for the fourth quarter, 3 outstanding months. For the first scenario, average period will be calculated as longest period plus the shortest period divided by 2, which we will get it as 15 by 2. Let's proceed with the second scenario. The second scenario is in the middle of each quarter. Middle means 15th of every quarter. So 15th of every quarter will be 15th of May, 15th of August, 15th of November, 15th of February. Outstanding months for this will be calculated as starting from 15th of May ending on 31st of March, we will get 10.5 outstanding months. Next, 15th of August ending on 31st of March, we will get 7.5 outstanding months. Next, 15th of November ending on 31st of March, we will get 4.5 outstanding months. Next, 15th of February ending on 31st of March, we will get 1.5 outstanding months. For the second scenario, where average period will be longest period plus the shortest period, that is 10.5 plus 1.5 divided by 2, we will get it as 12 by 2 as our average period. Next, scenario 3. At the end of each quarter, the ends are 30th of June, 30th of September, 31st of December, 31st of March. We know how to calculate outstanding months. For June, we will get 9 outstanding months. For September, we will get 6 outstanding months. For December, we will get 3 outstanding months. And for March, 0 outstanding months. Calculation of average period for the third scenario. Longest period plus the shortest period. 9 plus 0 divided by 2, we will get it as 9 by 2 as the average period. Now for you to understand, I have prepared a very simple chart. You can make note of this particular chart to work out all your problems. In the beginning of each quarter, average period. In the middle of each quarter, average period. At the end of each quarter, the average period. Let's calculate for the first scenario at the beginning of each quarter what is interest on drawings. Step 1, calculation of average period. Okay, I have taken the average period as 12 plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 15 by 2. Step 2, calculation of total drawings. If you observe, he is withdrawing 12,000 per quarter for each quarter. So we have in total 4 quarters. So 12,000 into 4, we will get 48,000. Step 3, calculation of interest. Interest is equal to 48,000 into 10% interest into 15 by 2 into 1 divided by 12, we will get an interest of rupees 3,000. Let's proceed with the second scenario. In the middle of each quarter, step 1, calculation of average period. So average period will be longest period plus shortest period divided by 2. 10.5 plus 1.5 divided by 2, we will get 12 by 2. Step 2, calculation of total drawings. In this scenario also, he is withdrawing rupees 12,000 per quarter for each quarter. So each quarter we have 4 quarters. So 12,000 into 4, 48,000. Step 3, calculation of interest. 48,000 into 10% into 12 divided by 2 into 1 by 12, we will get an amount of rupees 2,400 as interest. Third scenario, at the end of each quarter. Step 1, calculation of average period. At the end of each quarter, we will get an average period as 9 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. Step 2, calculation of total drawings. Even in this scenario, he is withdrawing rupees 12,000 per quarter for 4 quarters. Amount is rupees 48,000. Step 3, total drawings. 48,000 into 10% into 9 by 2 into 1 divided by 12, we will get the interest as rupees 1,800. Thank you.